Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to pull QuickBooks reports for business. So, let's get started. When you are on QuickBooks, click on the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. You'll see various report categories such as Business Overview, Who Owes You, and Sales and Customers. Select the category that fits the report you need. For example, choose Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet Reports. Tap on three dots and choose the Customize option. Use the customization options to set the date range, filter by customers or products, and choose the report format. Click Run Report to generate the report with your selected criteria. Once the report is generated, you can save it for future reference. Click on the Save Customization button to save it. To export, click on the Export button and see. Choose between Excel or PDF format. There you have it. This is how you can pull a report on QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.